I got paid $250 to make a 60 seconds video, although I knew nothing about it. There are 3 reasons why I believe that video editing is a goldmine skill that can never be replaced, at least for now. AI can do a lot of things, but that attention grabbing type of edit, AI can't do that just yet, leaving us the opportunity as humans to flourish. So 2021, I started editing. I knew
nothing about video editing.
And then 2 years later, a company reached out to me to work with them, and that's how I made the first $250 from video editing. So now companies of all sizes, people, individuals are shifting over to social media to promote their services and businesses. And to do this successfully, they rely on video type of content. Now, who makes this video content? Is it AI or humans? Definitely humans, because, well, AI doesn't have that consciousness. So it's just humans. Point number 2 is businesses, people, brands come to social media to promote their services and businesses and put them before your eyes. And this is called advertising. And we know that advertising is what gives attention. Attention is the modern day currency of the world that we live in now. But if we go back a bit, advertising is completely useless without video type of content. Again, who makes this video type of content? It's humans, you. I guess you can already tell what we're doing here. We're talking about ways to make money on the internet, and this video right here is really, really important, because if you act now and learn, you're going to be in a position to change your life and meet more people and do this over the internet. And that's what we'll do here on the channel. So if you're enjoying this video right here, why don't you go ahead and give this video a like, turn on the bell notifications, and subscribe as well. And the reason you want to do that is because this is the type of things that we talk about here on the channel, and that's what you get. Point number 3 is even YouTubers, businesses, brands outsource this video editing as a service to people who know how to, and they pay them. The question I want to ask you is, will you be the guy or the girl that gets paid to make quality video edits? I believe in you, but you got to do this one thing first. Why don't you head over to YouTube? And when you get over to YouTube, there are lots of hundreds and thousands of resources on CapCut tutorials that will teach you how to edit from 0 to pro. And when you're confident of the skill that you now have, why don't you just go to websites like X, LinkedIn, freelancing platforms like Fiverr and TopTal. And when you're there, sell yourself as much as you can. You're eventually going to find people to work with you. And when you do, offer the service for free, but if you must charge them way less. The reason you're doing this is you're sowing seeds of kindness. Nobody knows you in the marketplace, right? Nobody knows you at all. So you want to grow your market value. And the way to do that is to work with people who can attest to your service. And when you do this consistently, you're building trust, you're building credibility, you're building awareness, you're building a marketplace value. These are people that will always come to you. And if you can get a YouTuber to pay you, YouTubers will always upload videos every now and then. So for every video that they work on, you get to be the one who edits the video. And that's the way to change your life. Question: how much do you think you can possibly earn from this one skill for life? And the catch is this: there is room for growth. And the important aspect is, even if you seek to sort of do other things in life, this is the one skill that you could have going, and it's giving you money while you're working to change your life. This is gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you guys again. Wait, hold on. Have you subscribed? Oh yeah. Go ahead and subscribe. No, subscribe. All right. I'll see you again.